Setting a stop loss on NinjaTrader involves creating an order that automatically closes a trade when the market price hits a specific level, helping to limit potential losses. Here's how to set a stop loss. Open NinjaTrader. Launch the NinjaTrader platform and ensure you're logged into your trading account. Create or select a trade. Choose the market you want to trade and either create a new position or use an existing one. In the order entry window, enter the desired contract or asset you wish to trade. Set the stop loss order. When placing your trade, you can simultaneously set a stop loss order. Buy order. If you're entering a long position, place a stop loss order below the current market price. Sell order. If you're entering a short position, place a stop loss order above the current market price. Adjust the stop loss level. Enter the desired price level for your stop loss in the stop loss field in the order entry window. Alternatively, you can place a trailing stop loss, which adjusts automatically as the market price moves in your favor. Review and submit. After entering the stop loss level, review the order details and click submit to activate the trade with the stop loss in place.